Crypto Guru here, back for another video. We're back in action and I'm ready to hit you guys with some monster content. Now, as always, smash that like button so we can help the YouTube algorithm find my videos and put us straight to the top where we need to be. As always, this is not financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before you invest in crypto. But this is just things that I like to do and I'm showing you guys as a hobby. So let's get on with it. We have an amazing week with ETHERLITE. We got ETHERLITE making all kinds of moves where we just went on another exchange, Bibox, yesterday with the ETH-ETL pair. And I'm gonna show you guys, which is still the best route to buy on Bibox for about 6.5 cents right now. And they have really small withdrawal fees, which is really good because I went on Bit4X and it's really expensive. It's like 100 ETL per transaction, which is a lot of ETL if ETL ends up being a lot of money. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the love. I'll try to answer any comments or questions that you guys have. And let's just jump right into the video. I got a good walkthrough for you guys. And yeah, let's just do it. First, what we need to do before we can do any kind of is we need to set up our Metamask. So I took it off the computer and I'm going to show you guys a quick how to install it. So we go metamask.io into our Google browser. We click download, install Metamask for Chrome. We hit our add to Chrome button and add extension. All right, get started. We can either import our wallet or we can go to create a wallet. So I'm going to create a wallet and I'm going to opt out of the information. So we're going to click no thanks and then I'm going to create a password and I will be right back. After we created our password and we click confirm, we're going to go to secure our wallet and we're going to go through the backup, our security phrase. We're going to memorize this and we're going to write this down somewhere. It's 10 to 12 words and you're going to put that in and I will be back after this is done. Now we have had our seed phrase completely entered correctly. So now we're going to click the all done and now we're going to keep it somewhere. So boom, we have our account. So now we have to do a couple things before we go to our exchange. We're on the Ethereum. So now what we want to do is we want to add this on the ETHERLITE. Actually, you know what we got to do? We got to do one more thing before we even do that. So let's go back to our main page. We're going to go to the etherlite.org page. First, we have to add the network. We can connect our wallet even though it's empty. We connect our zero balance wallet. We go over here to menu. And now we're going to go to mainnet. And we're going to add main network. And it's going to have allow this to add the site, everything. We're going to approve and we're going to press switch network. Now we have the ETHERLITE site on here for our MetaMask. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click back to our MetaMask. So now we have our ETL and now we have our Ethereum. So now what we're going to do is we want to, in order to trade on this exchange, it takes USDT. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to go over here to CoinMarketCap. We're going to go to CoinMarketCap and we're going to go to our search bar over here. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. Actually, we can go to Tether. Tether is USDT. So we're going to click on Tether and you guys see this contract address right here. This is your token address. So you're going to click on the copy. We're going to go back over to our MetaMask and we're going to get rid of this thing because it's making me mad. Then we're going to click on add token. We're going to click custom token and we're going to copy and paste our, see how it filled it in, USDT and add token. All right. So now we have our ETHERLITE main network set up to show our ETL balance when we get ETL from the exchange. And we have our Ethereum mainnet shown up. And so now what we need to do is we need to purchase USDT. We need to get us some Tether before we go the route to hook up the exchange. So I'm going to do that. So I will be back. We're going to click on the buy. We're going to go with wire, and we're going to have to do a bunch. So what we're going to do over here, instead of ETH, we're going to type in USDT, aka Tether, and we're going to put in $100. $100. We're going to enter our information, get the transaction fee, 107, and I will be back after this small KYC is done. Put in the 6-digit SMS code that came to our phone, and I'm going to enter that, and I will be right back. We're going to enter the 6-digit code to the bank. It's going to register as a 10-cent pending transaction that you can access through your bank, and you're going to look for the number that's right next to wire. So I'm going to log into my bank real quick here. I'm going to look for that pending transaction, and I found it. It says we've successfully purchased, there we go, $99.98. There's our USDT to work with. Now we have our Metamask set up. We have our ETL token and our mainnet set up so we can see the ETL token, and we have our USDT Tether in our account. Let's go shopping. Let's go to the exchange. And you're going to go to Bibox. Now, depending on your country of origin, you might need a VPN for this or not. Express VPN is my favorite, and I will put a link at the bottom. Go to Bibox Exchange, and you're going to go to sign up. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter this email address here. You guys like that? ETH Killers, Outlook.com. We're going to put in a password, which is easy, and then we're going to enter the referral code, which is 0FPD8F. That's going to give me credit, and I'll show you guys where you can do yours once you sign up. And you can click the sign up button. You're going to click the send code to that address. Then you're going to have to do the little puzzle piece, which is pretty easy for the verification. And now you're going to have a minute to put in the referral code to that address. Registered to our Bibox, and we're going to recharge. So what we're going to do is we're going to deposit assets. So we're going to click on USDT, and we want to click on ERC20 token, because this is what we're using. And here's our address right here. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to click over to our Metamask, and we're going to click on our USDT, and we're going to click send, and we're going to copy and paste that address that we did. We want to go fast. It was $5, so at least it's cheaper now. I'm going to send the whole USDT there. Everything's gravy. And now we're going to send. We're going to confirm. It's a $1.89 gas fee to send. We're going to make sure we're on Ethereum mainnet. And remember, make sure you're on the ERC20 token. And we're going to confirm. Went through, and so what we're going to do is we're going to click on deposit record. And we're going to see we're in the process of confirming $99 of USDT, and it'll take a couple minutes. If we click on the transaction, Ether scan, $13, so we have a success. So we're still confirming. There we go. There we have our balance. So now what we're going to do, we have to transfer. So we're going to click the transfer button, and we're going to transfer from our wallet to our exchange account. We're going to transfer all of it, $100, and we're going to confirm. Now it's in our exchange wallet to trade with. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on market, and then we're going to click on DeFi, and then we're going to search ETL. We're going to click on ETL USD, and here is our going rate for ETL. Right now we're a little over 8 cents. If you guys look, the volume is pretty slow, and the way you do this is you see this person is selling at 8031, 50,000, so this order will fill right away if I put in my max. So 1232 will get me my max. Actually, we'll just go 1232.87 will get me my max that I have here. And if I put in 8031, this thing will fill immediately. So I'm going to click buy. Here's my amount of ETL. Here's my total that I have, and we're going to click buy. Insufficient balance. Okay, so I might have to take it down to that. Let's see if that works. Order completed. There we go. So now we're going to click back to our assets. We scroll down assets, click on exchange account, and so now we have, if you look in here, we've purchased 1,229 ETL. Here's our balance, and so we're going to click transfer, and we're going to click from exchange back to wallet. We're going to click all, and we're going to confirm. Now we have all of our funds in our wallet here. See, there we go. Here is our funds. And so in order to withdraw, we have to hook up a couple different security features. So what we're going to do is we have to scroll over here, and we have to go to account security. And what we need to do is we need to set a funds password, but first we have to set up two Google authentication. And you can just download the app on your phone, the Google Authenticator, connect, enable, send code to your email, and then you'll be able to link your Google authentication. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Once we have that done, you can see that our Google authentication is bound. It's set up now, and now we're going to set a funds password that we're going to put in, and our login password, and then we are going to save that and then everything will be linked up. So I'll be right back after this. So now you can see our Google authentication is bound. We have our funds password set, and now we can go back to our assets. So now we are back on our main screen. Everything has been verified, and so we can withdraw our funds. And we're going to make sure that we put in the correct ETL address. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our Metamask. We're going to click up to copy this address because this is where we sent our USDT from, and it's all on the Ethereum network. So we're just going to copy this address. We're going to click over here. We're going to paste the address, and we're going to click maximum, and it's going to charge me a trading fee of 0.2 ETL to withdraw this amount. So I'm going to click withdraw ETL. Now it's going to ask me for my funds password and enter my Google authentication, and I will be right back. There we go. Succeed. We have a succeed. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our MetaMask, and now we're going to click over to our ETL, our ETHERLITE main network, and we're going to look when the ETL hits our account. But we've had a succeed. I'm not sure how long it's going to take.
6.5 hours later.
It was like about 20 minutes. because the exchange took a minute. But as you can see, I have my 1229 ETL in my account and everything is completed. Is the end of today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, shoot that like. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. My stuff is gonna get cooler and cooler. If this helped you, shoot me a comment. I appreciate everything that I get, and I will see you guys on the next video.